this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy event flyer using this Canva template. There is a link to this template below this video, so go ahead, grab the template, and follow along. The thing that we're going to do is add in the images that we'll be using for the flyer. So I'm adding all of my images and removing the background of each. So you see, I'm just adding each woman in and removing the background of each lady. Of course, these will be your personal pictures. Now, I like to crop the frames and just get them to where they're easy to move and navigate. So next, what I want to do is I'm going to kind of position them where I want them. So I'm going to open up the layers panel and I'm going to move them down to where you see the other women are at. So if you take a look, you'll see the women there. Now I'm going to start removing the old images and I'm going to start positioning my new images so that they're in the right place. Now, once I get them all positioned, just like I want them to be, I want to start messing around with this fog. You see there's a fog back there that covers the bottom of each image so it doesn't look like it's just cut off. So you see, if you go to your layers panel, you'll be able to see the pink. So I'm grabbing this, moving it around, adjusting it to where it will fit properly over each image. And now I'm going to go in and change the color of the fog. So I'm just going through making all of the pink green. So anything that you see pink, you're going to go through, you're going to change it to the color that you want to use. In this particular instance, I'm using green. So I'm going to this fog here, I'm ungrouping it so that I can grab each one and I'm changing everything to green. Last but not least, we want to change the entire flyer to the color green. So if you open up the layers tab, you go all the way down, you'll see that pink there. You just want to change that to green. So the last thing you'll do is you'll change the yellow if you want to. I don't need to change it in this case. And of course, you'll go through and you will update each of the words, okay, to match whatever wording that you'll be using for your flyer. The last thing that we want to do is to update this QR code. So click on the QR code, go over to apps and type in QR code. And then you are going to select this first one that just simply says QR code. And you will see that this URL is where you're going to enter in your new URL. So you'll enter in your website address, hit update code, and this code will be updated. So now you're ready to go.